How to make group on Snapchat. So if you want to create a group on Snapchat, so you can add your friends and maybe your business partner to have a like mind discussing on Snapchat, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily create a group and then rename the group on Snapchat. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to make a group on Snapchat, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. This could be on Android and this could be on iPhone. Then click on the chat icon. Now once you selected that, click on chat here to initiate the new chat. Now under new chat, you see new group. Here you can chat up to 200 friends at the same time. Then go ahead and click on new group. Then here you'll be prompted to add your group member. So go ahead, select the name of your group member and then add them. Now once you added your group member, come here, give this group a name. So give the group a unique name so that everyone will know what the group is all about. And here you can see your group chat members. Then go ahead and click on chat with group. Now once you click on chat with group, then you should see the group created. Then you can say, here are my group member. Then you can go ahead and send message. Then this message is sent to the entire group. However, to add more members to the group you created on your Snapchat, click on add members. Then here you can search for the name of the member you want to add or select the name. Scroll down as well, add more members, and then click on done. Once you hit the done button, you should see the member updated just like this, and then you can then start communicating with your group member. So that is basically how to make group on Snapchat. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.